Welcome back again to the channel. As always, today I'm going to be reviewing another skincare product, and the product I'm going to be reviewing is the Acwell Licorice pH Balancing Cleansing Toner. This toner has been everywhere recently and popularized for brightening, hydration, clearing dark spots, and getting rid of dullness and hyperpigmentation on the face. Well, is that true or is it just hype? There are a lot of products that are being hyped in the market right now, and as much as I can, I try to test and review these products and give you my opinion so you can make informed choices on whether or not to get this product. So in this video, we are going to be talking all about this Acwell Licorice pH Balancing Cleansing Toner, all about my experience using it, the pros and the cons, who this product is good for, and alternatives if after a discussion on what this product does you don't feel comfortable using it. I'll be recommending other products that you can try out if you want to have the claimed benefits of brightening, hydration, clearing of dark spots, and pH balancing that this product claims it will do. Product comes in this 100 ml bottle. What I like about the packaging is that it's properly covered and sealed. There is no chance of it leaking and spilling away on your other stuff, so it's also good for travel. I got this one in this dark container, but I know that there's another type of the Acwell toner out there. If I can, I'm going to also try that out and review for you guys on this channel. So this product is positioned and marketed as a cleansing toner, meaning that after using your first cleanse, this is like a second cleanse that you can go in. It will tone your skin but also cleanse it. That's like you get a 2-in-1 benefit of toning and also cleansing. So the cleansing is going to remove any leftover dirt or micro dirts that are still in your skin after you've done your normal cleansing, but you also tone your skin and prepare it for other skincare products or actives and other ingredients. The product goes for between 8,000 naira to I think 15,000 naira. It depends on where you get it. Prices differ based on location and the shop where you get it, but averagely you can get it for between 8,000 and 15,000 naira. The star ingredient in this toner is the licorice. Please forgive the way I'm calling it licorice or licorice. I often confuse. I don't even know which one is the correct one. But as I was saying, let me not digress too much. The star ingredient in this product is the licorice. It contains licorice, has natural anti-inflammatory and antibacterial anti-inflammatory properties that help to brighten your skin, brighten spots that have hyperpigmentation and eventually fade them over time. It also has slightly hydrating properties, so you can expect to get some hydration benefits from using this product. Second to the licorice is tea tree extract. I think tea tree extract is good for calming the skin. So the product contains a combination of ingredients that would work together to calm your skin and eventually brighten it. I want to talk a bit about the pH balancing factor of this product. The product is set to a pH of 5.5, which is more close to the human skin, and so there's not going to be any risk of it burning or irritating your skin based on the pH setting that this product contains. So if you have sensitive skin or an angry skin that gets really easily irritated from using any skincare product, you stand less chance of experiencing redness or irritation from using this product because of the pH level of this skin. However, a few people may experience effects different from what this product is marketed to give to the user because of the ingredients. If you are allergic to any of the ingredients, whether the tea tree, whether the licorice, you may not get the advertised benefits of this product. So how I use it, I generally pour it on my cotton pad and dab it all over my face after I get out of the bathroom. Just, you would see it extracting more of the gunk and the leftover that your soap or your cleanser was unable to get rid of. Also, another way to apply it is just to pour the liquid on your hand and apply it directly on your face. But for some people, that may be too harsh a thing, so it's safer to just, you know, dab it on a cotton wool, apply it on a cotton wool, and then use it all over your face. Regarding the brightening effect that you would expect to get from this skin, I think that for me, for me, after consistently using it for 3 weeks, I noticed that it did brighten and slowly began to fade out my dark spots, but the brightening was more on my cheek area than anywhere else, and I really don't know why. Maybe it's because of my combination skin, but yes, it does brighten with consistent use, but I noticed the brightness more on my, you know, cheeks than anywhere else on my face. With consistent use, however, it can slowly, you know, fade out your dark spots and clear out any dark marks that you may have on your face. Another thing I also noticed about it, which I think I may have hinted on a few moments ago, is that it gives you double cleansing, right? When you apply it on a cotton wool and use wool, not wood, when you apply it on a cotton wool and apply it all over your face, right, it removes every extra dirt, so you get that double cleansing effect after you've taken your shower and used your normal cleanser. It does actually remove a lot of the leftover dirt from your skin. Let's go into pros and cons of this Acwell Licorice toner, and starting with the pros, the first thing I want to mention is that this product is great for sensitive and irritated skin. If your skin is, you know, sensitive, easily sensitized or irritated, this product is going to gently, you know, hydrate your skin and get it on its way back to healing. Another pro of this product is that it actually does repair damaged skin barrier. Because of the pH setting or the pH level of this toner, it doesn't, you know, irritate your skin, injure your skin, or leave your skin feeling dry and injured. Gradually, although it works quite slowly, you wouldn't expect to see magic or miracle, especially if you have deep-seated scars and hyperpigmentation on your face. You need to use it consistently. Gradual use is going to clear out your dark spots and your hyperpigmentation over time. The pros, let's talk about the cons, the downsides of the potential downsides of this product. Potential downside of this product is that it's not a magic product, right? It's not as quickly effective as it is often made to look like online. It will take its time to work. Like every other skincare product, you need to give it time and consistency before you see results from using this product. If you are sensitive to products that contain fragrance, this product contains a slight fragrance, and so if you are highly sensitive, you might want to stay away from it because it may, you know, irritate you, even though it has a light fragrance. So people who know that products that contain fragrance aren't really good for them may want to stay away from this. If you're a heavy makeup user and you want to go in with this cleanser, I would advise you not to go in directly with this cleanser, because that's another pro. Although it says it's a cleansing toner, it doesn't have sufficient power to, you know, get out all of the makeup products from your face. So if you use only this, you are still going to be left with, you know, gone. I think I've already mentioned in my discussions about the cons of using this product is that it takes time, and so you need a lot of patience. So if you need like sharp something, you might want to rethink your consideration to purchase this. Overall, I think this product is an 8/10. It's especially good for people who have sensitive, irritated skin, people who have dull skin and want to see brightness on their skin, people who need a product that is not going to further irritate their skin, people who need a product that is going to, you know, balance their skin tone, their skin pH, I meant to say, fade out dark spots and hyperpigmentation, and just generally brighten up their skin, they are going to enjoy using this product with consistent usage. I want to also mention that if you're going for hydration alone and you want to focus on this product, you might want to consider using another product for hydration, right? Because it doesn't provide as much hydration as I would like to get from a skincare product. I think it does more brightening than hydration on a general note. So if you're looking for something hydrating, you might want to look for something around all those Cosrx hydrating serums and moisturizers, or you look for a hyaluronic based product to add to your skincare routine that will give you that hydrating effect. Now, if you want a sharp brightening, you don't want to waste time on this. Based on everything that I've said, you might also want to consider exploring vitamin C, products that contains vitamin C, whether vitamin C serums, vitamin C moisturizers. Those would work faster than this. So that brings me to the end of this video. My conclusion is I would rate this an 8/10. I don't know if I've mentioned that before. The product is great for people who are looking to, you know, calm their skin, brighten their skin. Mostly people who have sensitive skin that's been irritated and just want a product that would not inflame their skin going forward. They would enjoy using this product. So I hope you have enjoyed watching my video as well. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you've tried this product or you're going to be trying it after watching this review, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.